Hello there, saludo the mal tiempo report. En este informe hablo en español primero y después en English. Yes. Entonces, primero hay una tormenta tropical en el noroeste pacífico, Mangkhut. Tormenta tropical Mangkhut. En China hay un aviso de tifón azul o aviso azul de tifón, no sé. Y esta mapa es la mapa de vientos probabilidades, no sé. 7, 8, 9, 10, no. Creo que es la escala Beaufort o algo así en China, no sé. Y en el Pacífico Oriental hay dos tormentas, un huracán Henriette, no sé, y tormenta tropical Gil está moviendo, ambas tormentas están moviendo hacia el oeste, y sí, y tenemos dos Gils, no sé por qué, pero pero pasa. Es un poco alemán. Ein bisschen Deutsch, yeah. So, now back to English that I can actually speak in. So, yes, there's two tropical storm gills. I think that's because it's a site error because the National Hurricane Center handed it off to the Central Pacific Hurricane Center. So, there's two recent things, but I don't know. And then we've got Hurricane Henriette. Now, Henriette could maybe get close enough to Hawaii, but the Henriette is predicted, at least as of this last marker, to be a tropical depression. Not sure about that. So, yeah, as far as I know, no land hazards predicted, but with these, but that's why you pay attention. And then, of course, Tropical Storm Mangkhut, definitely there will be some land hazards. So China has the blue warning of typhoon, which I think is basically the, hey, something's headed our way type of warning. And this, I think, is the map showing the wind probabilities and I think it's the Beaufort scale, I think is what those numbers represent. So, yeah, let's see if it's on the satellite. There you go. There is Tropical Storm Mangkhut. Right, or however that is pronounced. Making landfall as it is right now. Yes. So, in severe thunderstorm weather today in the U.S., we've got a tornado watch in effect for Minnesota, Mississippi. That doesn't make any sense. Mississippi isn't anywhere near there. Gonna have to figure out why. That's obviously a bug too. North Dakota and Wisconsin. Yes, you see, Mississippi, nowhere near. Yes, there must be some MSs or something, getting it confused. Warnings in effect as of the time I load the page with these. What is that? A couple... What? Colorado and Kansas, a couple over there, and one in Arizona. All three severe thunderstorm warnings, which happen to be nowhere near where the actual tornado watch is at the moment. In general today, this is the map showing the probability of severe winds, which would be winds 58 miles per hour greatest. So here's your highest threat. But that's actually a fairly decent amount of the country being touched by at least a 5%. Here's the map showing the probability of severe hail, which would be hail 1 inch or larger, as high as a 30% again. And here's the map showing the probability of any type of tornado, or any size tornado, I should say, or intensity or whatnot. So as high as a 5% chance today for Minnesota. So that's actually a pretty big number. You know, past that, it starts getting into a little bit of tornado outbreak territory. You know, when you get like a 15, or definitely like a 30, 45% happens like once every couple years, or maybe once a year. But yeah, so definitely something to pay attention to. Tomorrow, got a 15% chance again. And these two 15% areas brought together by this huge-ish sort of 5% area. Yes, so something to pay attention to as always. SevereWeatherTV.com is the official homepage of the screencast. WikiWix is WICKEDWX.com. And Cyclocane is CYCLOCANE.com. And that is it for today. And hopefully you all are staying safe out there.